It's just a tiny shot, Rio.
Tiny? That's a medieval spear for hamsters.
Come on, big
You
guy.
come on. That thing looks like it graduated from the Sword Academy.
Oh my god.
How should I?
Where's your diploma, Doc?
On the wall, right there.
That? Looks printed on cereal box paper.
Excuse me?
I said Dr. Autocorrect meant decorator.
Just checking your heartbeat.
Lady, if my heart skips, it's because you're close.
Oh, stop it!
You're blushing, dangerously cute.
Just a little trim.
A little trim?
Those are hedge trimmers. Relax.
Relax.
Lady, my toes just signed their wills.
All good, Rio. You're healthy.
Of course I am, Doc. I'm a walking emerald with attitude.
You're impossible.
No, just limited edition.
Hold on, see? That wasn't bad.
I can't feel my wings. Tell my followers I was fabulous.
You're fine, Rio.
Fine? I saw my light flash. It was mostly snacks and sass.
You gained a few grams, Rio.
Muscle, baby. Pure muscle.
You've been eating fries, haven't you?
They're vegetable sticks from McDonald's.